Creating character AI involves combining creativity with technical skills to design a dynamic, interactive persona. Start by defining the character's personality and backstory. Think about what drives the character. What are their goals, their values, and emotions? This foundation shapes how the AI will respond to different situations. A well-crafted backstory helps the AI stay consistent and believable in its interactions. Next, decide if the AI's role will be a controversial partner, a helper, or a character in a game. The role influences the tone, complexity, and content of its responses. For example, a friendly AI assistant might speak more casually, while a professional guide might have a more formal tone. From a technical standpoint, developing character AI requires programming skills. Many AI systems rely on natural language processing, NLP, to understand and generate human-like text. Using frameworks like TensorFlow or PyTorch, I'll put those words in the description, or pre-built platforms such as OpenAI's models can help you design the AI's ability to engage in dialogue. You may also incorporate machine learning techniques to allow the AI to learn and improve from user interactions over time. Finally, ensure that the AI remains consistent in personality and behavior across different interactions. Regular testing and feedback refinement are crucial to creating a compelling, engaging character AI that feels real. All right,